This factory manufactures machine tools for processing components. Accurate measurement for each axis is required to secure the high-precision machines being delivered to the customer. Angular detection of rotary axis is mainly determined by accuracy of the built-in encoder. Built-in encoder has its own inherent error, but also misalignment from installation and other causes may adversely affect the accuracy. In addition, changes in ambient temperature are another potential cause for errors. To understand why these factors cause insufficient machine accuracy, we must precisely measure the indexing accuracy of the rotary axis. In many cases, an autocalibrator that uses a polygon mirror and a laser interferometer are used for the high accuracy measurement. However, the autocalibrator can only measure the angle of the polygon mirror, and both are easily affected by the influence of ambient airflow and temperature fluctuations. Magnescale has developed the self-calibrating rotary encoder SET HD100 to resolve this issue. This solution allows easy and accurate measurement of the machine's indexing accuracy. Apart from machine tools, SET HD100 can also be applied to pre-shipment inspection of any product with the need for high-precision rotary axis indexing, or for research to improve accuracy. The setup process is quite simple. The installation of the scale and head unit for measurement takes only 15 minutes. SET HD100 uses 6 sensors and unique algorithms for self-calibration, to compensate angular errors for the entire circumference within ±0.1 seconds. And this accuracy is traceable in accordance to Japanese measurement standards JCSS. Measurement by the non-contact encoder minimizes any impacts on the rotary axis. Thus, higher repeatability is realized and reliable compensation of all errors in each angle is supported. With the measurement results of SET HD100, errors on the machine side can be compensated, thus contributing to improve the rotary axis indexing accuracy. Furthermore, the system can measure speed fluctuations during rotation and extremely small vibrations during the machining process is paused. Thus the data can be used for order analysis and accuracy improvement. This factory who uses the SET HD100 of Magnescale realizes improvement of their quality and productivity thanks to the efficient and accurate measurement of the angle accuracy attained at each rotary axis.